Hello, my friends. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn and meticulously discover the absolutely correct and most efficient way to seamlessly add various other languages to your virtual keyboard on all modern iPhones. So without further ado, let's proceed directly to the familiar default settings application, which is conveniently pre-installed and readily found on every single iPhone device. We will open this essential application as we usually would. Then we will carefully scroll down the screen just a little bit and gently tap on this clearly labeled option, which is prominently identified as General. In case you are wondering if your mobile phone is currently set to another language, it's important to remember the precise locations and the specific icons you need to navigate to. I will now tap right here, then carefully scroll down a little bit and diligently look for the particular option that is clearly labeled Keyboard. I tap on it. First of all, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. After that, I tap on the first option, Keyboard. So as you can clearly see, I have already successfully added 3 distinct languages to my keyboard settings before this demonstration. To efficiently add a brand new language, you simply need to gently tap right here on this specific button. This action will allow you to add a new additional language to your virtual keyboard. Subsequently, you can then precisely search for the particular language you are eagerly wanting to include. For instance, as a clear example, I will now proceed to add the Filipino language, demonstrating the entire process just like this in a straightforward manner. As you can see, I tap on it, and as you can clearly see, the Filipino language has been successfully added. And with this particular option, which we will now tap on, you can easily delete a language that you no longer wish to keep or use. For example, I will delete the Filipino language. I will now tap in this specific spot, and then I will proceed to tap on the delete option. Now, for instance, I will carefully delete another language, for example, the French language. I will again tap in this particular spot, and then I will subsequently tap on the delete option, and finally, I will tap on the prominent check mark as you can clearly see right here. If you've successfully reached this particular point in the video, please don't ever forget to thoroughly check out this incredibly helpful list. The comprehensive playlist of some essential iPhone tutorials contains many important and valuable guides that you will undoubtedly like and greatly benefit from in your daily usage. Goodbye, my friends.